Greetings, artists! Have you ever wondered how to prepare for your portrait drawings? Today, I'm here to show you an easy and effective way to improve your sketches and shading without the fear of messing them up. Let's be honest, the thought of ruining your shading after sketching the perfect outline can feel a bit daunting. But don't worry. The techniques I'll share today will help you feel more confident and allow you to create realistic, polished artwork with ease. If you're new to drawing, you might have already heard of these methods. But if not, let me introduce you to two essential techniques that every beginner should know: hatching and cross-hatching. First up is hatching. This involves drawing parallel lines to build tones and suggest light and shadow. The closer the lines are, the darker the area appears. Wider spacing creates lighter tones. It's a simple yet powerful way to add depth and dimension to your art while keeping the process clean and straightforward. Next, we have cross-hatching, which takes hatching to the next level. By adding a second layer of lines that intersect the first set, often at an angle, you can create more intricate textures and achieve richer shading. This method allows you to play with line density and direction to make your drawings more dynamic and lifelike. These techniques are incredibly versatile. They work with pencils, pens, charcoal, and even digital tools, making them a must-have skill for any artist. But why are they so important for beginners? Here's why. They're simple to learn, but powerful in their impact. Practicing them sharpens your hand control, improving precision. They add texture and dimension to your work with just line. Experimenting with them enhances your creativity. They're universal. Use them in any medium you prefer. They're quick to pick up, so you'll see progress fast. They give your art a polished, professional look. They lay a solid foundation for more advanced shading techniques. They build confidence as you master them. And they're timeless, used by artists for centuries and still relevant today. So, if you're looking to take your drawings to the next level, start practicing these timeless techniques today. Let me give you a few simple tips to follow during this step 1. Start light. Always begin with light strokes. This way, you can fix any mistakes and slowly build up the shading. 2. Follow the shape. Pay attention to the curves of the face. Let your lines flow along the face's shape to make it look real. 3. Build layers. Add shading little by little. Use more lines to make dark areas and fewer lines for light areas. Don't press too hard right away. It's easier to add more than to fix heavy lines. 4. Think about the light. Imagine where the light is shining on the face. Keep the bright areas light and make the shadows darker with more lines. 5. Choose the right pencil. Use an HB pencil for lighter skin tones for a softer look. For darker skin, try a medium charcoal pencil to add bold shadows and depth. At this point, it doesn't need to be perfect. The goal is to set up a strong base that makes the rest of the drawing easier. This step gives you direction and makes the whole process less stressful. Once your base layer is done, you're ready to move on to the fun part, adding details and finishing touches to bring your drawing to life. Stick around for the next video, where I'll show you how to add powder and make your portrait stand out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy art tutorials. Keep practicing and have fun drawing.